Welcome to the Turbotax Masterclass tutorial, a comprehensive guide to navigating the world of tax preparation with ease. This tutorial is designed to walk you through the process of using Turbotax to file your taxes efficiently and accurately. First, let's start with the basics. Turbotax is a tax preparation software that guides you through the tax filing process, ensuring you claim all eligible deductions and credits. To get started, simply visit the Turbotax website and select the product that best fits your needs. Once you've created an account and logged in, you'll be prompted to begin the tax preparation process. This starts with gathering all necessary documents, including your W-2s, 1099s, and any other relevant tax forms. Turbotax will then guide you through a series of questions, asking about your income, deductions, and credits. One of the key concepts to understand when using Turbotax is the importance of accuracy. It's crucial to ensure all information is entered correctly, as this will impact your tax liability and potential refund. To avoid errors, take your time and carefully review each section before moving on to the next. As you work through the tax preparation process, Turbotax will provide you with practical examples and explanations to help illustrate complex tax concepts. For instance, if you're self-employed, Turbotax will guide you through the process of claiming business expenses and deductions. Best practices when using Turbotax include taking advantage of the software's audit support, which provides guidance and representation in the event of an audit. Additionally, be sure to e-file your return, as this is the fastest and most secure way to submit your taxes. Throughout the process, Turbotax will also provide you with tips and suggestions for minimizing your tax liability and maximizing your refund. By following these tips and taking advantage of the software's features, you can ensure a stress-free and efficient tax filing experience. In conclusion, this Turbotax Masterclass tutorial has provided you with a comprehensive guide to navigating the world of tax preparation with Turbotax. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and taking advantage of the software's features, you'll be well on your way to filing your taxes with confidence and accuracy. Remember to stay organized, take your time, and don't hesitate to seek help if you need it. With Turbotax, you'll be able to file your taxes efficiently and effectively, saving you time and money in the long run.